Hello, great people. We are back on this project. These are road construction projects by P5 Network Limited. Um, for a few days now, we've not been on this project because of the rain. We had to allow the rain to do its work, and we suspended the project for a few days. But thank God for fair weather. We are back to complete the project. The point where the vehicle is parking, that's where we started. And we are pushing it down, down to this point. To this point. Let me show you where we are on this project now. This is where we are. We are pushing. See how solid the project is, the work. Everything about this project is professionally based. We give you quality for your money. We give you quality for your money. Top notch. Our company is top notch. See how everything is